Celina Taicang established on January 29, 2012, and locates at Taichung, Suzhou of Jiangsu Province, where is a neighbor of Shanghai, China at north side. We are one of world leader in manufacturing of engineered fabric products. Our core value is be safe, be nice, be a good worker. The company's main business activities include production of party and event tent, sidewall, tent liner, and customized printing tent, related metal tent tubing in both aluminum and galvanized steel, metal tent fitting, and other industrial products made of PVC vinyl material. Celina Taicang has various good machines to guarantee our production accuracy, like auto cutting machine, U.S. Miller hot air welding machine, auto tubing puncher machine, and 1,500-watt tubing laser auto cutting machine. We have capacity to produce more than 600,000 square meters PVC vinyl materials annually. More than 90% products are export selling to USA and Canada. Celina Taicang has various laboratory test machines and devices to guarantee our purchased materials having good promised quality. We also randomly pick our main materials sending to SGS Lab every year to have third-party test report. All of our efforts are to guarantee Celina Tent a good quality. Celina Taicang believe in a good Celina tent would finally find you to make your party and event much better.